Hello, grade 4 learners! Handa na ba kayong mag-review sa ating mga aralin sa Science 4? Ito ay nagawa para makakatulong sa inyo para makakuha kayo ng matataas na grado. So, ang mga lesson dito or ang mga question dito ay based sa ating mga nakaraang lesson sa 4th quarter. Handa na ba kayo mga kids? Okay, let's have number 1. Number 1, why is soil important to living things? A. Part of the earth where animals live. B. It provides the necessary nutrients needed by the plants. C. Serve as a place where people live. D. All of the above. The answer is D. Next. Which of these is made up of smallest particles of rocks which contain decayed matter of plants and animals? A. Water. B. Mineral. C. Rock. D. Soil. It contains decayed matter of plants and animals. So our answer, the correct answer is letter D. Next. How do its soil differ? How do its soil differ? A. Texture and color. B. Size and texture. C. Color and size. D. None of the above. Letter A. Texture and color. Which type of soil is best for planting? A. Loam. B. Clay. C. Sand. D. None of the above. Which type of soil is best for planting? A. Loam. B. Clay. C. Sand. D. None of the above. Okay, it is a loam. Next. Which type of soil do you usually expect if the community is along the seashore? Which type of soil do you usually expect if the community is along the seashore? A. Loam. B. Clay. C. Sand. D. None of the above. The correct answer is letter C. Next. Mother boat pots made of soil. What do you think is the type of soil did they use in making pots? Mother boat pots made of soil. What do you think is the type of soil did they use in making pots? A. Loam. B. Clay. C. Sand. D. None of the above. The correct answer is letter B. Clay. Next. How does decayed organisms like plants and animals make the soil fertile? How does decayed organisms like plants and animals make the soil fertile? A. Change its color. B. Makes the texture finer. C. Enhances odor. D. Adds nutrients to the soil. The correct answer is letter D. What do you call the water part of the earth? What do you call the water part of the earth? A. Lithosphere. B. Atmosphere. C. Hydrosphere. D. Stratosphere. The correct answer is hydrosphere. Next. Which of the following shows water used for recreational purposes? Which of the following shows water used for recreational purposes? A. A woman cleans the car using water. B. A man washes the dirty dishes. C. A girl swims in a swimming pool during summer. D. A thirsty boy drinks water. Used for recreational purposes is letter C. Okay. Next. Which of the following sources of water is considered the cleanest and contains plenty of dissolved minerals which the human body needs? Which of the following sources of water is considered the cleanest and contains plenty of dissolved minerals which the human body needs? A. Seawater. B. Fresh water. C. Groundwater. D. Rain. It contains minerals. The answer is letter C. Which of the following is not true about the sun? Which of the following is not true about the sun? A. It provides warmth to earth. B. It drives photosynthesis. C. It is the primary source of light. D. It makes the earth cold and dark. Not true about the sun. So, the correct answer is letter D. Next, what is the role of the sun in the formation of a typhoon? What is the role of the sun in the formation of a typhoon? A. It provides the light energy needed to form rain. B. It causes the evaporation of water from oceans. C. It provides the chemical energy needed to form clouds. D. It causes the formation of water on the leaves of the plants. Role of the sun in the formation of typhoon? It is letter B. Next, what do you call the process wherein water continuously moves in the Earth's surface? What do you call the process wherein water continuously moves in the Earth's surface? A. Evaporation. B. Condensation. C. Precipitation. D. Water cycle. So if you look at the picture, you can see the correct answer. So it is a water cycle. Next, water goes through blank different phases during the water cycle. Water goes through blank different phases during the water cycle. A1, B2, C3, D4. How many phases does water goes through during water cycle? It's 4. Okay? Next, which of the following happens during evaporation? Which of the following happens during evaporation? A. Water leaves impurities on the ground. B. Water becomes solid. C. Water mixes with soil. D. Water becomes part of the lithosphere. Our answer is letter D. Okay? Next, what do you call the process in the water cycle when water vapor in the atmosphere condenses to form clouds? A. Precipitation. B. Evaporation. C. Condensation. D. Rain. The water vapor condenses and it forms clouds. The correct answer is letter C. Next, which of the following is true about the barometer? Which of the following is true about the barometer? A. It measures atmospheric pressure. B. It indicates whether the air pressure is high or low. C. It indicates whether the air is humid or dry. D. It measures wind velocity. So the correct answer is letter A. Next, which of the following instruments used to measure air temperature? Which of the following instruments used to measure air temperature? A. Thermometer. B. Barometer. C. Anemometer. D. Hygrometer. That is in the picture. That is a thermometer. Next, what instrument measures the speed of the wind? It measures the speed of the wind. A. Barometer. B. Thermometer. C. Anemometer. D. Hygrometer. The correct answer is anemometer. Next, one afternoon, you observe that the wind is moving to the north. What weather instrument tells the direction of the wind? A. Wind vane. B. Rain gauge. C. Anemometer. D. Barometer. Okay, it is the wind vane. Next, during a stormy weather, how does an anemometer spin its cap? Stormy weather. How does an anemometer spin its cap? A. Very slow. B. Moderately slow. C. Moderate. D. Very fast. Okay, it is very fast. Next, which of these tells that there is an approaching storm? A. Fine weather. B. Dark clouds and cold air. C. Gentle wind and rain showers. D. Strong winds and heavy rains. Okay, it's letter D. Joy is in her house during a stormy weather. She notices that the flood water from the road goes inside the house and is rising very fast. Which of the following should Joy do? A. Watch television to know the latest weather report. B. Go to your neighbor and have a good time. C. Swim to move out of the house. D. Go to a higher floor or the roof of the house. Okay, letter D. When you go to school, you notice that the clouds are dark. Which of the following you should do? A. Wait for the rain to fall. B. Run as fast as you can. C. Bring an umbrella or a raincoat. D. Bring extra clothes. Okay, so you're going to bring an umbrella or a raincoat. Next, which of the following is the best thing to do during typhoon? A. Help the victims of calamities. B. Call your friends and play outside. C. Stay indoors, cancel or postpone any travel. D. Go to the beach. Letter C. You must stay inside our house. Next, you are sweeping the dried leaves in the backyard. You have noticed that the wind is blowing hard. Will you burn the dried leaves? A. I will not burn the dried leaves because it may cause a big fire because of the strong wind. B. Yes, I will burn the dried leaves because it might scatter again. C. Yes, I will burn the dried leaves because my mother will get angry. D. Yes, I will burn the dried leaves because our dog will play on it. Okay, never burn dried leaves if there is a strong wind. Next, where should you stay during a windy weather? A. Near a post. B. Inside a sturdy building. C. Under tall trees. D. Near glass windows. Letter B. Inside a sturdy building or a strong building. Next, how does air temperature affect the weather condition? A. High temperature makes the weather warm. B. Low temperature makes the weather hot. C. Low temperature indicates fair weather. D. High temperature makes the environment cool. So, it is letter A. Next, which is true about weather? A. Weather remains the same in same place. B. It changes from day to day in any places. C. It is always the same in hot countries. D. It takes a long period of time. So, letter B, it changes from day to day. Next, why do farmers use their wide brims hat when they are working in the farm? A. To protect them from strong winds. B. To protect them from head injuries. C. To protect them from the intense heat of light of the sun. D. To protect them from insects. Okay, the brim hats will protect the farmers from the intense heat and light. Next, why do opaque objects form shadows? A. Because they absorb the light that hit them. B. Because they reflect the light. C. Because they bend the light that hit them. D. Because they cover the light that hit them. It's letter A. And the last one, Jared is standing on a sunny place for the whole day. What will happen to his shadows during sunset? A. His shadow becomes shorter. B. His shadow becomes part of his body. C. His shadows become longer. D. His shadows become half his size. It's letter C. Okay. Did you get it right, kids? Okay, good luck to your test. Good luck to your test and happy vacation.